Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to factorize this algebraic expression using multiplication frame. So I'm going to just draw this out quickly. And let's place our terms. X squared have to be placed in this box. And my positive 9 in this box. So x times x will give me my x squared. So that's where you see x times x give me my x squared. And for my 9, I do need to consider all the pairs of factors that would give me negative 6x. That means these two boxes later on should, when I add them up, should give me back my negative 6x. So which pair can give me 6? It's 3. The question now is, I need a negative 6x. How can I do that? So if you see, 3 times x will give me 3x. Same goes for the other side. X times 3 will give me 3x. Then I need to think, how can I get this negative? Negative 3 times negative 3 will still give me back my positive 9. And when I do that, I do get a negative 3x. And that's how I get my negative 6x. And from here, I can then see my answer. Okay. So the answer will be x minus 3 times x minus 3. And because the brackets are the same, the factors are the same, we are going to write it as x minus 3 bracket square. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.